Tampaki District Bangagi tongan ba mafam kayadagi ngasi ayuk anganbada street amadi Central Force na Operation Chathabada yamlaba kusukulay kya fagat pangamkre haina Manipur Police ki IGP John 2 ke Kabib na fongdoraklay. Babupurada leba Police Headquarter ngasi pangthukiba pau ki mifam ama mahakna Makhatana duna ngasi Chathakhigani operation aduda kulay marifutara fangbangam kibaga loinana nongmay maru chatrit ka kuni panchu fangbangam ke haina su fongduke. Manipur muhanna ing tappa purak pangamnanaba miyamgi punsi amadi lanthum ngak senanaba Thiba Humbagi Thabak Makhatana Chathakhigani miyamna illegal arms ka mari leinaba pau leirabadi manak nakpa police station natraga Central Command Room da pau pibiu amadi police amasung security force singda cooperate tobiu masina Manipur ing tappa purak pangamgani haina appeal tawraklay.
In another significant step towards restoring peace and security in Manipur, many operations were conducted in the early hours of 26 July 2025 by security forces in the various districts acting on specific intelligence about a large cache of arms, ammunition and warlike materials concealed at various locations. Coordinated operations were launched simultaneously at multiple sites in the peripheral and suspected areas of these various districts. These continued intelligence-led operations represent a major accomplishment for the Manipur police and security forces in their continued mission to restore peace, uphold public order and safeguard the lives and properties of citizens. The Manipur police reaffirms its commitment to fostering a peaceful and secure Manipur. The public is urged to cooperate with the Manipur police and security forces and to promptly report any suspicious activity or information related to illegal arms to the nearest police station or to the control rooms.